How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here, and welcome back to another auto video. Today I'm going to be teaching you 4 dumb things that you can do to your car that will completely destroy it. Before we start the video, I just wanted to let you know that you can like, comment, subscribe for this video for free. So why don't you go ahead and do that for me. The first thing that you can do to your car that will destroy it is actually jumping the car backwards. You're probably like, Mike, mate, what are you talking about? That's common sense. Well, you'd be surprised how often it actually happens. If you look at the battery, it's really hard to see. There's a minus and there's a plus. They're all over the place on the battery. Every battery's different. So the minus is the negative and the positive is the positive. So common sense, red, positive, black, negative. You put the red on the positive, you put the negative on the negative. Now if you were to put these on backwards, they spark and they explode. That is not good. And if that happens, you can destroy the alternator altogether. The alternator is what runs to charge the battery back up. You can also fry every little electronic part in your engine, and you can also destroy the main computer in your engine, which will cost you absolutely thousands and thousands of dollars. The next thing is not changing your oil. I know you hear all the time, change your oil. You will not regret it. Oil is what completely lubricates the car. Some cars have so small parts, like millions of them, that oil needs to go through to lubricate them. Dirty oil causes friction and a lot more harder to push through these little spaces because of just dirt. You also want to look on your oil, your engine oil cap, and it tells you what kind of oil is meant for your car. I know they say change your oil every so and so miles, but you want to do it roughly around 5,000 miles each time. The next dumb thing is starting your engine when it's out of gas. Even in general, if you run your car out of gas, that is honestly not a good thing. If you're starting your car and it is out of gas, stop what you're doing. The reason why you don't want to start your car when you're out of gas is because of the fuel pump. Nowadays, the fuel pumps are in the gas tank, they're literally in the gas tank. What the fuel pump does is it's a fuel pump. But if you keep cranking the engine, it's going to suck air instead of gas through it. And gas is what lubricates all the little gears in the fuel pump. So if you, instead of using gasoline to lube it, you use air, you're going to completely burn out the fuel pump. And then you're going to have to go underneath your car, take the whole gas tank off, and get the fuel pump and replace it. And the fuel pump is not cheap. It's literally like $500. So the last thing is your coolant. Check your coolant. You can't let it sit forever. You have to change it out. People keep forgetting that you need to change your coolant. Cars, most parts are aluminum. They get hot. They don't rust, but they break down and corrode, I'm pretty sure. I'm not a scientist, so don't ask. So there's certain molecules in the coolant that can break down and completely just destroy and not cool down your car. So that's why you need to change out your coolant every so often. If you do, get a bottle of coolant. It even says it on the back. It usually says long length or long living. I don't know. Coolant's coolant. Just make sure you change it. So if you want your car to live for a very long time, follow these steps and guess what? It will. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.